How did you find Custom Pool Pros?
I actually did a lot of research, and when I decided to go with the gunite pool, I looked up a few companies like internet, Google, ChatGPT, and selected like 3 or 4, and decided to go with Custom Pool Pro.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
They actually answered all my questions. Um, the knowledge was there. I felt comfortable with the back office team. Jan, Tara were amazing. They answered all the questions, and also they were like very convincing. They're like, we get the permit, and 6-8 weeks later you are swimming, and that was very important for us.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
The materials are amazing. Bluestone. Actually, Jen convinced me to go with this selection, and she is right. Oh.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
The back office team was amazing, as I said, and you know they we got the permit. The next day they were digging, and 8 weeks later we were done. It was very smooth, and yeah, we feel lucky to found them.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
It does. It does. The pool is exactly what we wanted, the size what we wanted, and yeah, we're really happy with the outcome.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
Yeah, I must say it's really relaxing, and we use the heater all the time so that we can swim nights early in the morning. It's added a lot of quality to our life right now.
How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
It was a very smooth process. The weather was not very helpful, but for the rest, it was really very smooth.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
Yes, I would. Genuinely, I will really. As I mentioned, we had a very nice experience, a very smooth process, and everyone we had to deal with was amazing.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.